Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy new feature on the Facebook app for PC that lets you always see previews of links whenever you click on your page. If you've ever wished for an easier way to preview links without multiple clicks or extra waiting, this update is just for you. Let's walk through the simple steps to make sure you never miss a preview again. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your settings smoothly. Once you're on your main feed, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a small menu with several options. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook stores all the controls for your account, preferences, and accessibility. After that, click on Settings to enter the heart of your account options. Now, this part is important. Look on the left-hand side menu and find Accessibility. Click on it, and you'll spot some specialized settings designed to make Facebook more user-friendly for everyone. Inside Accessibility, you'll find Keyboard and Assistive Technology settings. Go ahead and select that. In the new Options window, locate Show Previews of Links. This is exactly what you're looking for. There will be different choices here, and you want to choose Show Preview after clicking. This setting ensures that every time you click on a link on your page, you get a neat preview popping up immediately, helping you decide if you want to explore more or keep scrolling. Once you've picked Show Preview after clicking, don't forget to hit the Save button. This confirms your choice and activates the new behavior right away. And that's it. From now on, clicking on any link on your Facebook page will automatically show you a preview, making browsing smoother and more efficient. This update is perfect for anyone who wants quicker access to content without having to open multiple tabs or windows. So, take a moment now to follow these steps in your Facebook app on PC and start enjoying seamless link previews with every click. Thanks for watching.